Namaste. Hello, my dear beautiful viewers. How are you all doing today? I welcome you all to your channel. This is your host, Shivansh. Those who are new to my channel, thank you so very much for tuning in. I have been trying to record and I don't know what happened that every time I'm trying to speak, but I'm not able to speak. It was something like this. Cards were falling here and there, and I was freaking out. All right, yeah, I was freaking out, and some of you are, okay, 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 restless. I'm feeling like kind of restless energy. All right, anxious energy, very curious energy. All right, some of you are trying to get into the depth of some of the mysteries, like kind of experience that you are going through. It's really occult, mysterious. All right, yet you are enjoying it. Sometimes it may feel like paranormal, abnormal, anxious. You really don't know, and sometimes you may feel like, oh, it's really heavy. That kind of an energy. That's how I am feeling. You really want to move, but you are not able to move. In some way, shape or form, you are stuck, and you are in some way, shape or form feeling that some kind of injustice has been done to you and looking for justice. So your Father in heaven is asking you that you are looking for justice at a wrong place from wrong people. All right, first of all, you need to do justice to yourself. A very restless energy. That's how I'm feeling. All right, burdensome, restless, mischievous. All right. If some of you are having concerns related to your job, career, promotion, scholarship, studies, whatever you have, then universe is saying that it will come true. All right, I'm seeing that some of you are very studious. All right, very responsible, cheerful, and mischievous. Okay, and universe is saying that take time to review the details carefully. All right, before you are getting enroll yourself into any job, studies, or whatever, take the time out to review the details carefully. You will win in the end. Fair and objective decisions. So some kind of injustice is something that you are doing to yourself, and universe is asking you to, first of all, my dear, do justice to yourself. And that's the reason probably you are feeling like life full of burden and death and tower kind of experience. Ask for help from others, all work and no play, being weighed down by too many responsibilities. I told you, responsibilities, 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 and responsibilities. The four cards representing, talking about responsibilities. So there are some of you probably not taking responsibilities or taking too much of responsibilities, and you are feeling burden. All right, if somebody is not taking responsibilities, you are feeling burden. Are you getting me? Something is there, not balanced, has not been balanced with the justice card out here. Hence you felt like, you know what, my life is like, I never get justice, I never get feel blessed. What is it? Why is it like I put sincere effort, but I don't get any outcome that can make me feel like wish fulfill? All right, where I can feel like, wow, I have gone through something. All right, and now this is what I am achieving in my life. You have put in all the work to do the research, the studies, the amount of work that was needed, you have put in sincerely. All right, and yet you felt that, you know what, I have not been getting justice, my life has been stuck and I'm not able to move. Okay, so now that experience that you have been feeling, it was all because of the renewal that was taking place in your life. And it is saying review the past and the present so you can plan a bright future, bright new future, understanding your life purpose, releasing judgment of yourself and others. So there were some toxic energies around you, too much of responsibilities or no responsibilities at all. There was too much of compatibility issues between two people. There were a lot of pressure of studies, multiple responsibilities. There were a lot of chaos that was taking place, and that has created a lot of burdensome restlessness kind of energy, where you were lacking out on your patient wish fulfillment has become a distant dream for you, and you felt like stuck. But the fact of the matter is, with the Chariot card out here, it says the success that comes from dedication and self-discipline, celebrating your accomplishment, being in the spotlight. So you guys are going to be in the spotlight. That means whatever kind of stuck energy you felt despite all your efforts, and you continue to feel that something is not right, I mean, no, I'm not feeling justice, then it is going to be rewarded to you in a multiple way. That will be really, really kind of like wish fulfillment. Somebody probably has lied to you, done dirty to you, and you felt like justice was not served. Then justice is coming, truth is coming with the ace of swords and seven of swords and ace of cup, two aces. Somebody is going to extend their emotions, extend their truth to you, all right? That will lift your burden, all right? And you will no longer be experiencing death anymore, and that's how you will be feeling like, yes, justice is finally been served to me, all right? Innovative, inspiring, wise, theatrical, financial windfall. Your leadership skills are needed now, and unexpected support of your cause. Are you getting me what I'm saying? Feeling doomed, feeling burdened, too much of responsibilities, you don't know what to do, what not, doing everything all alone, then I'm telling you that there is somebody is going to get spiritually aligned. That's beautiful, you see, with the Wheel of Fortune, King of Wands, and Ace of Wands. You see, you have got three aces out here: Ace of Cup, Ace of Swords, and Ace of Wand. With the King of Wands and Wheel of Fortune, I told you, remember that when you are going through all this, looking out for support and help and sending prayers to the universe, beyond your eyes meet, this is what is taking place, all right? Something that is written on stars, written on destiny, much before you were incarnated. That is what is promised to you. Ace of Spring, Ace of Wand, Ace of Swords, and Ace of Pentacle. Stability, security, money, abundance, windfall of success, name, fame, it's coming towards you. Anybody who has done dirty to you, justice will be served. They will come clean and speak their truth out, heart out, all right? Pour their love unto you. If you truly believe in your core, in your bones, with your good karmas, with your good actions and deeds, you have given out something selflessly to somebody, believe in me, it will come true. And I am telling you, it's a prophesized message for you. Every death that you have experienced, every injustice that has taken place in your life with the Wheel of Fortune and Chariot, it will be taken care by the universe, all right? Justice will be served to you. Life will start to move, and you will feel renewed. You will feel passionate. Every burden will be lifted out. Any research studies you have been doing and you are not getting any outcome, then outcome will come. There will be a windfall of money which will give you wish fulfillment with the Nine of Cups. All right, it is just a renewal process that you were going through. All the trials and turbulence that you have experienced, it was all because universe was trying to align you to a spiritual partner who is compatible for you, who will both of you will share responsibilities equally. You both will be working as a partner together. All right, you will be truthful, honest, and loyal to each other. When I said that, I saw 1111. You'll be truthful and loyal to each other. All right, there will be no dishonesty, no trust issues, no disloyalty. All right, no deceitful energy. Okay, no deceitful energy. You are always ready to help me. This person is acknowledging that you are always there to help them, in some way, shape, or form. They are acknowledging that, when you used to hold them, look into their eyes, they used to feel really, really love. All right, and they are acknowledging that they have never seen any love like yours. You have loved them, you have been their strength through thick and thin. I am sorry, my love. I tried to replace you with somebody and it has hurt you immensely. Please forgive me. With the Seven of Swords, there has been probably a third party, or this person has left you for a third party, and this third party could be anything. All right, toxic energy, toxic habits, bad habits. All right, too much of drinking, too much of partying, too much of living a casual life, that is going to get out of this connection. Now third party is going to go. All right, and they are acknowledging this. I'm sorry, my love, I tried to replace you with somebody and it has hurt you immensely. Please forgive me. The truth is, my life is blissful because of you. When they left you with the Seven of Swords, and they realized that grass was really not greener on the other side, and with this message they are acknowledging this. You come to not only in my random thoughts, but every day I meet you in my dreams. You guys are telepathically connected, and they see you in their dreams every day. You are the source of magic, bliss, and abundance in my life. I want to marry you, my love. Will you marry me? Somebody is rushing in. I'm telling you, with the 3 aces present out here, this person was confused before. Which way to go, what to choose, they had no idea, because they did not have the wisdom, all right, how to do justice, which way to go. They did not had those help and support or understanding at that point in time. Hence you guys fell apart into 2 different dimensions, all right, and you were soulfully connected, and hence you were going through some lessons, all right. You were triggering them, they were triggering you, and that's how you guys were clearing your toxic energies, all right, shadowy energies, dark energies from your life, both of your life, all right. And that's how even third party also got cleared. I regret for holding back my true feelings and emotions. I love you, my dear. There's no place on earth that I can escape from these emotions and feeling. Absolutely, to whatever I am saying. Ace of Cup is validating this message. You see, every card is coming with my downloaded messages, is like kind of my psychic messages, and the downloads that I'm getting, and the cards that's coming, it's like beautifully syncing, So you guys are syncing right now with the current planetary transits, with too many aces, new beginning. It's written on stars. Simple. Take this message. Don't doubt this message anymore. All right. I am sorry. Please forgive me, my love. I am processing my true feelings and emotions for you. You see, they are processing their true feelings and emotions for you, and while they are going through this processing, they are seeing who you are, and they are sorry for every wrong that they have done to you, and they are understanding that you have been their magic, bliss, abundance, luck in their life, and they are sorry that they walked away from you. They tried to replace you with somebody that was of no match, all right, with yours. So they are really sorry. They are feeling regret about holding back their true emotions, and hence they are getting ready to come towards you to speak their heart out, all right. It is absolutely 360-degree turn of events that is taking place in the love interest life of in the life of your love interest. Look at me. That's what I'm saying. 360-degree. They don't know what is happening, but they are understanding that actually, this is the truth. Actually, they are accepting those truths. They are getting that self-realization, self-acceptance to see this connection, and understanding that this is very soulful, and they have to make it right. They have to do justice. They have to be truthful with the Ace of Swords. They have to open their heart out with the Ace of Cup, and they will have to be honest to their passion, that emotion that they feel for you, all right. Please forgive me for all the wrong that I have done to you, knowingly or unknowingly. I feel so passionate for you these days that you have started to run deep through every cells of my body. Yeah, Ace of Wands, you see, King of Wands, Ace of Wands. My cards never lie. King of Wands and Ace of Wands, my downloaded validation. You see, that I feel so passionate for you these days that you have started to run deep through every cells of my body. Please forgive me for all the wrong that I have done, knowingly or unknowingly. This person is really sorry about whatever they have done to you, and they want to come clean towards you, period. All right, because they know that you are their wish fulfillment, their passion, their life force. Everything is with you. You are their lucky charm, you are their blessing, and they will have to make it right. They will have to come towards you because they understand this is destined. They cannot run away from this. So that's why they have been also experiencing Death and Tower. So do you, so that you also see what this connection is all about. You cannot run away from this connection. So both of you were put into that hermit mode, all right, to see what this connection is all about and come out clean for each other. All right, come out clean for this connection. Be truthful and honest to both of you, and be compatible for both of you. It was more like, what I'm feeling is that universe was trying to make both of you compatible for each other so that you can live a very harmonious life, because this connection is written on stars. Nothing can shatter this, nothing can shatter this connection. All right, hence universe was triggering you back and forth so that you both can find that alignment with each other. All right, so that you both can find that alignment with each other, be compatible for each other, have that respect and respect for each other. All right, value each other, stay strong as a partner with each other. All right, so through time apart, this relationship has become even more stronger than what it used to be. All right, so I hope this messages has helped you in some way, shape or form. Until we meet again, I'm sending across much love and light to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Stay blessed and in peace. Bye bye.